Alright, let's begin our tutorial. I'm gonna launch the Visual Studio and how it looks like. I'm using Visual Studio Community Edition 2019, which is a free version. And I'm going to create a new project. Here's the console application. I'm going to use console application, which is here, Net Framework. Or you can type here console app, which will be you should select C# and you should select here console, and here we go. Here will be a console.net core, and also there will be a net framework console app. So I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to create a new project. We'll call this my first project in C#. Oh, okay, C#, whatever. It's created, and it's going to create a new project for me. And here, what we need to focus on is this main method. So I'm going to explain what I write word by word. So let's create something like, all right, so I'm going to use a command of this C#, which called console. This is a command of the C# program. It is used to display the output, or in other words, display the result of your program. All right. After console, we can access with dot, and after the dot, we'll write line. This command, this method will display your writings. So here I'm going to open the double quotes, and let's write hello world. That's it. And I'm going to press F5 to display the output. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. First, I need to do this thing, console.read key. What it does is that it doesn't allow the program to close itself. Or you can write, instead of this, console.readLine. It shall be right here. And you can just do your thing. Press F5, and here we go. It will display your output. It will be a hello world. You can change it. You can copy it, and you can just paste it. Let's see. Let's ask question. May I ask your name? All right. And let's test it again. First, we need to close the application so it will not give an error. Let's go and test it. May I ask your name? Yes, you can, and we'll write console.readLine, which will read the input. All right, we again forgot to close the application. So let's create something string value, which will be name string name, and we'll use this name as name. equals to console.readline, which will read the input of the user. Name the string. String is used only for to write anything. You can use special characters, you can write numbers, you can write alphabets, words, any words you may write it. All right. So let's just test this application again. I press F5 and I will write my name. All right. After we write it, it will just automatically exit because we did not add the function which will be called. Let's in order to display our name, we can do this. Let's go name hello, and we can do this basically plus. And since we read input from the string name, we will add with the plus, and afterwards we can just add the variable name because that's the one that will be reading the input. And we can add additional plus to display the name, and we can do /n, which will just go to the next line, and we can just say nice to meet you, and again we can display the name of the user. You can do just that. And let's test it. I will press F5. May ask your name. I will put Olivia. Something's wrong. Alright, of course. I forgot to console.read key. We need to input it here. Alright. Now we can test it. Hello, Nurulabek, and in the next line it will display nice to meet you and the name of the user here. Hello plus name, and the next line, which will be this /n provides the next line, and nice to meet you plus name, which will be the name of the user. That's it for today.